back just to say goodbye, you shouldn't have.
You know, there was whores in Saint Denis before settlers.
You ain't scaring nobody.
Damn right.
Yeah. I've played a hand or two with your wife. She's actually quite good. Could learn a thing or two from her.
Poker's a lot more fun with a drink.
Hey, good looking. You looking for a roll in the hay? Well, you're a quiet one, aren't you?
Well, look what shameless dog just crawled back into town.
Are you trying to act tough?
You ain't worth a damn moment of my time!
Careful, big man.
Hell, you ain't even worth a bullet.
Excuse me.
I see a man killed playing this game before.